Obama aide attacks Trump with pic of Obama hugging hurricane victim, forgets one huge problem. The Democrats are hard up and searching to find a way to attack Trump over what so far has been a good response to Hurricane Harvey, praised by the Texas governor. When focus should be on helping people, what are Democrats doing? Looking at Melania's shoes and trying to create talking points against Trump. The current talking point of the day is that Trump has no empathy because he allegedly didn't hug anyone in Texas when he was there. Former Barack Obama aide Ben Rhodes, the man who featured prominently in both the Iran deal and the Benghazi Talking Points memo, tweeted this out. This is the enclosed picture. Others also cited this picture. But they forget the actual facts behind the picture. This was 9 days after Hurricane Sandy, where there had been a horrible response all around, from New Jersey to the federal government. The picture was taken October 31, 2012, right before what was considered to be a tight election with Mitt Romney. So this was indeed a photo op for his election, the very thing they're trying to accuse Trump, who has no election coming up. It is of note that once he was elected and there was another hurricane and flooding in Louisiana, Obama couldn't be bothered to come back from his August vacation to visit. And let's review what happened with that woman Obama hugged, Donna Van Zant. She believed Obama had promised to help her during that hug. After his visit, I sent an email to President Obama. Many days later, I got a response back. It was disturbing. How so? It had nothing to do with what I was asking him. It was a form letter. It thanked me for supporting the troops. He made a promise to rebuild on national television, and I can't even get this money. It's heartbreaking, really. I did reach out to Senator Whelan, and I got a response that they were forwarding my email to the person that Governor Christie put in charge of Sandy relief. But from President Obama, I got a form letter. She wrote him an email and got a form letter back with no acknowledgement or recognition of who she was. And that was it from Obama, no help, no real empathy, beyond the election hug. Meanwhile, let's look at what Texas Governor Greg Abbott actually said about the response from Trump in the federal government. He said it was the quickest, most responsive ever, and that their quick action would ensure that people would get relief faster to help in recovery. So we have the empty, deceptive photo op versus the actual help, which shows the greater humanity and more concern for people suffering. Ben